Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. I'm pretty sure you would all be very interested in today's topic, that is the 2025 Hot Wheels B case. Many of you would be thinking that the 2025 Hot Wheels B case has only not come in India, and I'm talking about the G case. So there's a lot of speculation that cases from the 2025 Hot Wheels B case till G case, it will be skipped. And according to me, the G case has already landed in India, but that is still speculation. So once it is confirmed, I'll be sure to update on the community tab and Instagram. So do follow us on Instagram. So, and I was the first one to tell that the 2025 Hot Wheels A case is surely coming to India, when many of them were very confused. I had posted it on Reddit, so I'll be posting a link and I'll be posting the screenshot so you guys can cross verify what I'm telling. So now, so that there's that speculation that G case is coming to India, so let me tell you what are the contents available in this case. So firstly, the treasure hunt from this case is the birthday burner. Though it is a fantasy casting, it is a very cool one, and as a treasure hunt, it will be very nice to add it in your collection. Then the super treasure hunt is the Porsche 911 Rallye. Again, it is a very cool one, and look out for them. So now let's discuss what are the other contents in this case. So at first you have a lot of cars, which is cool ones. So my first thing I would tell is the McLaren W1, that is new for 2025. That is amazing casting. So, and then you have the El Camino from Fast and Furious in black color. That is again very cool. And for the first ever time, you have the Chevy Blazer, which is coming in the mainline version. So previously it was in semi-premiums or premiums. So this is the first time which is coming in mainline version. So you can look out for it. And then you have a couple of other castings, that is like the Nissan Skyline BNR 33. Again, a very cool casting with very cool paintings done. And then you have the DMC DeLorean. We had the treasure hunt last year, and this year it is back in that light blue color again, which is very cool. And talking about few fantasies, like you have the Quick Bite in blue color. Again, it is very nice. And other fantasies are the Derora 3. That is again very cool. And then you even have the power wheels with a very big tires, so you can look out to add all these into your collection. And talking about the other cars, you have the Morgan Super 3, again that is repeat. So but I'm not going to buy that, but people who are planning to add it, you can add it to your collection. And then you have the Kia, that is the Kia EV6, that is the custom Kia EV6. I do not personally like this car much, but that is new for 2025. Then you have the BMW 2002 in a very wonderful color combination, and everything is blended so well in that. Then you have the tuned Nissan Skyline. And mind you guys, any cases, I do not have to tell that Batmobile is not there. All the cases which Hot Wheels makes, there are Batmobiles. So like that, like every time there is Batmobile in this case too. Then you have this wonderful Jeep Gladiator. I wanted the F case to come, but most probably it will be skipped. I was actually hoping that my first super treasure hunt will be the 20 Jeep Gladiator, because I like it so much, but sadly it is not going to happen. And but though we have the carryover. And then you have the Optimus Prime again, but without the trailer. So people who missed the track fleet edition of Optimus Prime, you can add it in your collection. Then you have the Corvette Gas Monkey. Again, that is a very nice one. I actually have this in the golden color, so I'll be planning to add it in my collection so I can keep one carded. And apart from that, you have a lot of nice fantasies actually in this case. So you have the HW Formula Solar, that is from the HW Celebration Racers. So again, that is a very nice casting. Then you have the Auto Roto, and mind you guys, this case is loaded with a lot of cars. Then you even have the 68 Dodge Dart. Again, I already have it in red color, so it's up to you guys if you already have it. But some people will collect all the recolors too. So pick mindfully, because Hot Wheels will come back with all their stock. And then you have the custom Cadillac. This is a fine casting. More likely it is, I would say it is nice. That is from the Rod Squad series. So overall, guys, look how nice this case is. Then you have the Monster Dairy Delivery. Remember the pop culture dairy delivery, the MTV van. So you have that one, but this is in the white color, and it is the mainline series. So that is a good one that you can add it in your collection. Then you have the Minecart from the Minecraft. All the Minecraft fans will surely get this, I'm pretty sure. Then apart from that, you have the HW the Legends Tour winner, that is a Mazda MX-5 Miata, that is again new for 2025. Then you have the Snoopy, that is again a very cool one, and I'll be personally looking out for that one. Then you have the Ford Model A Custom, again that is a very nice one, and that is new for 2025. You also have the Audi RS Avant in a white color, that is again a very nice one. Then you have the Datsun 240Z in a very cool blue color, and that is from the HW Art car, that is again very nice. Then you have one of the other most wanted, that is the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 from HW Race Day. Again, that black color and the color combination is very great, so I'll be looking forward to add this in my collection. Then apart from that, you even have the small block, again that is a nice fantasy. I think you can add it in your collection, there's nothing wrong in that. Then you even have the Purple Passion with that, so, but the only thing is that the Purple Passion is coming in white color, so it is a little hard to see. If it was purple, I would probably recommend it, but I already have a Purple Passion in purple color, so I am fine with it. So these are a couple of castings that you should look when you're going to hunt. And mind you guys, so I believe that this case should be available very soon. And if you talk about previously, like from 2023, the year 2024, we started with the J case. And previously, that is the 2023, we started probably around H case or M case, I'm not very sure. So probably this year we may start with the G case. So there's a lot of speculations, and once I get the confirmation, I'll be the first one to update you guys. So please follow us on Instagram and do check out our other videos. Please share these videos to your collective friends and other communities, so they are aware of the other castings. And I would like to thank Ministry of Diecast, because all the images are taken from their YouTube channel. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out our other videos, and see you guys in my next video.